You use this thing every single day. You don't think about it. You just press a button. But it was never meant for the kitchen. The microwave is the definition of ordinary. Cold food, 2 minutes of waiting, that familiar beep at the end. But this machine wasn't created because of hunger or convenience. In the 1940s, engineers were developing military radar systems. They were studying waves, powerful, invisible. One engineer noticed something strange. A chocolate bar in his pocket suddenly melted, just from standing near the radar. It wasn't a malfunction. It wasn't a danger. It was a discovery. Microwaves make water molecules, vibrate rapidly and collide. That motion is what heats food from the inside. The same physical principle, once used in war, now sits on your kitchen counter. Every time you heat food at 2 a.m., you're using a repurposed military technology. The most ordinary things often have the most unexpected origins.